Welcome to Handgards.com, where finding the right product for the right task at the right price has never been easier. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to use our interactive food service establishment tool to identify the best Handguard solution for every area of your operation. To get started, head to Handgards.com and click on the tool titled, What Product is Right for Me? You'll be taken to an interactive three-dimensional layout of a food service environment. From here, you can choose from different establishment layouts at the bottom of the page, such as a deli, quick serve, virtual ghost kitchen, casual dining, or convenience store, whatever best fits your operation. Conveniently, each layout is divided into key work areas. Simply click on the area you're focused on, like the hot-cold ready-to-serve station, takeout or drive-through area, or cooking station, and the tool will suggest the right products designed for that specific task. You'll see a curated list of Handguards products ideal for that area, including links to product pages with detailed descriptions, features, and safety data sheets. It's all about helping you choose the right solution quickly and confidently. Need help narrowing it down? Use our built-in search functionality or explore by task, material, or industry need. Whether you're running a restaurant, managing institutional dining, or setting up for a catered event, the What Product is Right for Me tool ensures you get the right product for the right task, in the right place, and at the right price. Start exploring now, only at Handguards.com. Handguards, first in food service innovations.